Hello, my name is Charlie Duffield and today we're doing the Starter Speaking Test 1. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Rain.
My darling.
My name is Rain.
And Rain, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay. And Rain, I want you to have a look at the picture here. We can see a living room. The children are playing. Here is the car. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Good. And where is the lamp? Good. Now have a look down here, and which one is the dog? I'm going to put the dog next to the girl. Can you put the dog next to the boy? Next to the boy. Okay. And which one is the book? Can you put the book in front of the TV? In front of the TV. No. In front of, it's going to be here. Yeah? And which one is the sock? And can you put the sock on the mat? On the mat.
Mat.
Yep. Okay, the mat is here, yeah? On the mat, like that. Okay. And what's this?
Sofa.
Not a sofa. It's a...
Sofa.
Not a sofa.
It's a sofa.
It's a chair.
It's a chair.
And what colour is the chair?
Green.
It's green.
It's green.
And how many chairs are there?
4.
So what can we say? There are...
There are 4 chairs.
Okay. And what is the boy doing?
Draw.
He is
Draw.
drawing.
Drawing.
And what's this?
Banana.
It's
banana.
a banana. Do you like bananas?
Yes.
What fruit do you like?
Apple and banana.
I like...
I like apple and banana.
Okay. What's this?
Pen.
Okay. And have you got a pen?
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
And what's this?
Mouse.
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 Do you like mice?
Yes.
Okay. What animals do you like?
Monkey and dog and cat.
Okay. And what's your favourite sport?
Football.
Okay. And what's your friend's name?
Thailand.
Tyann. Okay. Okay, good. Well done. We can finish now. Thank you. Goodbye.